Welcome everyone to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 3rd, 2020. This is our Ethereum price move forecast. It is our update for Ethereum. You guys can see it's been a while since we did our last video in Ethereum. So we wanted to come in and update you on some changes that we are seeing from the traps perspective. Yes. So if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, join us on all of our other social media platforms. The links are in the description of each and every one of our videos. We want to make sure that we are delivering content that is beneficial, period. Everyone else is giving you their hypothesis, their ideas, their opinions. For us, we're giving you a forecast as to what we're seeing from the one who moves the market, the trap. So, Ethereum. Last time I did our video for Ethereum was on August the 13th, right there. And even in that particular video, we were expecting price movement to go higher. And the market actually on that same day closed a lot higher than our ultimate TP price, which was around $415. So, on that same day, the market did move quick against our forecast. 6.53% could have been had in your pocket following that day, following that video. Now, there have been plenty of days since that video was completed to where the market in Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, but in Ethereum, tagged out around $440. So that's even almost 13% profitability you guys could have had into the market from that video that we concluded for Ethereum. Now, look at it. The market, if you were to get out right now as the market is trading, you'll still be up 10% if you're still into Ethereum as of this particular moment. All right. So that performance of the trap is now over. We need to talk and revise our price chart for Ethereum, because you know why? The market is not trading in this trading channel that we created on the 13th of August. So let's get rid of it. Okay. Now, the last two trading days, what do you see that is different? What change occurred in Ethereum that we haven't seen since the beginning of August? If you said volume has appeared, you're exactly correct. The last 2 days, the 1st and even on the 2nd of September, look at the amount of volume that came through. Finally, we found an area to where we can get increased volatility and participation in the market. We needed to see that. It's no different than what occurred on the 2nd of August. So it's been about a month since we've seen this much volume play out in Ethereum. Very, very good, because volume and the lack thereof tells us a lot about how the market feels. Now, on those particular days, what type of price bars did we get? Were they strength or weakness? That's the question that you need to determine for your own strategy. But realize that a change did occur. Okay. Now, you would see many people utilize Ethereum and the trend that the market was going through, right? So this was the first trend that many people had on their chart initially for Ethereum, because the market in Ethereum was trading on that line, right? Now, all they're going to do is simply lower it just a little bit lower. Okay. So even looking at this chart right now in Ethereum, you can still see that the market has the ability to continue to go lower. There's one thing that could prop up the market in Ethereum, and it is this level right here, 420. Market breaks 420 on weakness, best believe we're going to come closer to this ascending line. It's that simple. Everyone's going to spend the next 15, 20, 25 minutes on a video just simply giving you their thoughts and their opinions. But from the trap and what we're seeing on this chart, he's telling you already what to expect. And then when you look at the market on the weekly time frame, it's even worse in the sense of how low Ethereum can go in price. You see that? $390 is where the market in Ethereum can go if it cannot hold 420 or around $415. So I'll just stick with 420. That's the first area of contention, the area that we need to be vigilant on and pay attention to see strength come into the market for Ethereum. 420. We break 420 on the downside, which from a daily perspective looks like it's going to happen. 390 might even be lower than that, because right now the weekly price chart in Ethereum looks weak. But we got 3 days and 13 hours left, so we are not really that reliant on that price part just yet. But again, it is definitely signaling to us market weakness. Okay. And this in the long term, from a monthly basis, we cannot see Ethereum break this level. $400. Because if we break 400, this is where the market in Ethereum is going to go. Right there around 360. That's the long-term support area. Okay. Now we're showing some hints that weakness and movement to the downside is in play on a weekly and a monthly basis in Ethereum. So we're going to continue to go that way on a daily time frame. Okay, so we're going to use this ascending line. The volume in the market in Ethereum substantiates that, you know, we still have weakness to play out into the market for this crypto. Tell me, where is restriction at into the market in Ethereum? If you said around 440, 445, you are correct. We don't see the market in Ethereum break up above 445. Yeah, we're going to continue to go lower, period. Okay. So we're going to play this weakness into the market in Ethereum. I'm telling you now, right now, that there is still a chance, I will say around 40% chance that the market in Ethereum can hold $420. So we'll have to TP it there, period. Because we can see how the trap can utilize that price for support and prop the market up and move higher. So we'll TP it, skin off a little bit around 420, but ultimately right here alongside this ascending line is where he's going to try to hold that support. But when you look at it on a weekly and a monthly, it doesn't look like that's going to hold. Not right now. Now, once we come back and update you all on Ethereum going forward, then we'll see if he's actually going to do it. But right now, we'll have to play the weakness that's being seen. It's just that simple. Now, what do you see? Where do you see the market in Ethereum going over the next couple of days? Higher, lower? Breaking this ascending line gives your TP price as well. Now, it's on you. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I'll talk to you all on the next one.